This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautifully designed and renovated 1920s bungalow. Short proximity to Aju, restaurants, naval base. Fully restored and expanded from the studs within, including all plumbing and electrical. Walls removed to create an open living concept. Kitchen with granite counters, new stainless steel appliances 2020. Rear addition with 2 bedrooms, full bath, laundry enclosure. All bedrooms designed with vaulted ceilings. Insulated to code. High efficiency HVAC plus Rinnai natural gas on demand boiler. Whole house water filtration system. Replaced windows. Driveway regraded to accommodate up to 7 vehicles. No flood insurance required.